Hello students, let's do rational numbers exercise 2E. This is on page number 40. Let's look at question number 6. What rational number should be subtracted from minus 5 by 12 to get 5 by 24? Okay, so whenever you have questions like this, replace the main numbers with simpler numbers to help you understand that question first. So here, what rational number should be subtracted from this number? So that means 5 by 12 should come first, isn't it? Minus 5 by 12. So let's take a simple number. Now what should I subtract from, say, 7? 7 minus what will give me 4? Okay, so it's the same as this. What number should be subtracted from this? So that should come first. I've replaced that with a simpler number to help us understand. So what should I subtract from this to get 4? Now 7 minus what will give me 4? Now we know 7 minus 3. So x is equal to 3. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Now how did we get that? By subtracting 7 and 4. Okay, so 7 minus 3 is 4 and we got it by subtracting 7 minus 4. So in the same way, let's replace this with the actual numbers. Minus 5 by 12. What should I subtract from minus 5 by 12 to get 5 by 24? Now just like it is in that example sum, we have to subtract these two numbers by writing 5 by 12 first. Okay, so shall we do that? Let's write minus 5 by 12 first and subtract the answer, that is 5 by 24. 5 by 24, and we will be able to get our answer, that is x. So now as you can see, the denominators are different, so we're going to make them equal. So for that we should find the LCM of the denominators 12 and 24. So let's use 2. 2 6s are 12, 2 12s are 24. Continue with 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. Again we'll use 2, so I bring down 3 and 2 3s are 6. So now we can use 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So what is our LCM? LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So let's see what that is. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So the LCM is 24, which we are going to use as the common denominator here. So let's use LCM 24 as the denominator. Now the first rational number, the denominator is 12. 12 into 2 will give us 24. So multiply minus 5 also into 2. Minus 5 into 2 is minus 10. Minus, let's go to the next one. 24 into 1 is 24. So 5 into 1 is 5. So here we have 5. Now minus 10 minus 5, signs are the same. So put the same sign and add. 10 plus 5 is 15. Add 10 and 5. These two numbers add it up. So we get 15. So that is minus 15 by 24. Now 15 and 24 can be reduced to the lowest term. Both are divisible by 3. Okay, so let's divide this by 3 and see what we get. 3 into what is 15? 3 into 5 is 15. We have a minus sign, so we'll put that minus sign there. Now 3 into what is 24? 3 8s are 24. So what do we have here? As the answer, we have minus 5 by 8. So what is the question? What rational number should be subtracted from this, isn't it? So the rational number that has to be subtracted is minus 5 by 8. Now you can also check and see. You can do minus 5 by 12, minus 5 by minus 5 by 8, and your answer should be 5 by 12. So what is our final answer? Minus 5 by 8. Question 7. What rational number should be subtracted from this to get 8 by 5? Just like we did for the previous one, but we'll take another example this time. So what should I subtract from 9 to get 5? What should I subtract from 9? 9 minus what will give me 5? 9 minus 4, isn't it? 9 minus 4 will give me 5. How did I get this 4? Well, if I subtract 9 minus 5, so 9 must come first and then we have to get 5. Similarly, we'll use the actual numbers. What should I subtract from 5 by 8 to get 8 by 5. What should I do? I should subtract these two numbers by writing 5 by 8 first. So let's do that. 5 by 8 minus 8 by 5. This should give me the answer. So here denominators are different. So let's find the LCM of the denominators 8 and 5. So I'm going to use 2. 2 4s are 8. So let's write 5 as it is. Again I continue with 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 as it is. Again continue with 2. 2 1s are 2 and bring down 5. Now I can use 5. 1 and 1. Now what is our LCM? LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So let's multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So the LCM is 40. So let's use 40 as the common denominator here. So we're going to use this and check our new numerators. So let's go to the first denominator 8. 8 into 5 is 40. So multiply 5 also by 5. 5 5s are 25. Minus, go to the second one. 5. 5 into 8 is 40. So multiply this 8 also by 8. 8 8s are 64. So here what do we have? We have 25 minus 64. So this is plus, and in front of 64 we have minus. Signs are different. So put the sign of the bigger number and subtract 64 minus 25. So let's do that. So here we have to borrow. 14 minus 5 is 9. 5 minus 2 is 3. So here we get minus 39 as the numerator. In the denominator we have 40. So what's our answer? Minus 39 by 40. Question 8. Evaluate. So here again we have brackets and we have addition operation. So we have to first remove our brackets. So let's work on the first bracket that we have here. So 7 by 8 into 24 by 21. Let's do it here. 7 by 8 into 24 by 21. This is normal multiplication where you can cancel. So I can cancel 7 and 21. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. I can cancel 8 and 24. 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Now I can cancel 3 and 3 because one is in the numerator, one is in the denominator. So both can be cancelled by 3 itself. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So what do I have in the numerator? 1 into 1 is 1. And in the denominator, 1 into 1 is 1. So let's write it here. So we have 1 by 1, which is actually 1. But we'll leave this here now and work out the other one. The other set of brackets. So inside the other set of brackets, we have minus 5 by 9 into 6 by minus 25. So here let's cancel the minus signs. We can cancel 5 and 25 both by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. We can cancel 6 and 9 by 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Anything else to be cancelled? That's it. So we can multiply the numerators. 1 into 2 is 2. And in the denominator we have 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. So what do we have here? 2 by 15. Let's write it down. 2 by 15. So the first one is 1 by 1. Second is 2 by 15. So the LCM here will be 15. It is used as a common denominator. So here 1 into 15 is 15. So multiply this also by 15. So that is 15 itself. 15 plus, next one we have 15 into 1. So multiply 2 into 1. 2 1s are 2. So 15 plus 2 is 17. And in the denominator we have 15. Now this is an improper fraction. Let's convert it to a mixed number. So 17 divided by 15. 15 1s are 15 minus 7 minus 5 is 2, 0. Now make this a mixed number. So we write 1, 2 by 15. 1, 2 by 15. So what's our answer? 1, 2 by 15. Question 2. Here we have again brackets with addition in between. So let's work out the first set of brackets first. So that is 8 by 15 into minus 25 by 16. So let's cancel. So we can cancel 8 and 16. 8 ones are 8 and 8 twos are 16. We can also cancel 15 and 25 by 5. 5 threes are 15, 5 fives are 25 and the minus sign. So here there's nothing else to cancel, so let's multiply the numerators. 1 into minus 5 is minus 5 and the denominator 3 into 2 is 6. So after removing the first set of brackets, what did we get? We got minus 5 by 6. Now we have to add this to the answer that we get from the operation inside the other set of brackets, which is minus 18 by 35 into 5 by 6. So here also let's cancel. 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18. That's minus 3. We can cancel 5 and 35. 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. Now let's multiply the numerators. So minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 and denominator 7 into 1 is 7. So what do we have? Minus 3 by 7. So this is minus 3 by 7. So we have to add this. Now let's remove the brackets. What do we get? Minus 5 by 6. Now before I remove the brackets, let me see what is in front of the brackets. Before the bracket, we have a plus sign. That means I can write this as it is without a change. So that becomes minus 3 by 7. Now 6 and 7 are unlike denominators. Let's make them equal. So find the LCM of 6 and 7. Use 2. 2 threes are 6. 7. Now use 3. 3 ones are 3. We bring down 7. Now let's use 7 itself. 1 and 1. So what is the LCM? LCM is 2 into 3 into 7. So this will be 2 threes are 6. 6 sevens are 42. So the LCM is 42. Let's use that here as the common denominator. 42. Now 6 sevens are 42. So minus 5 into 7 is minus 35. Then let's go to the next one. Minus here. 7 sixes are 42. So multiply 3 also by 6. 3 6 are 18. So here we have minus 35 minus 18. Signs are the same. So put the same sign and add. So we have to add 35 and 18. So let's add it up. 5 plus 8 is 13. Carry 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. So we have minus 53 by 42. Again, we can convert this to a mixed number if needed or leave it as it is. Question 3. Two sets of brackets. Let's work out the first set here. So that is 18 by 33 into minus 22 by 27. So let's cancel. We can cancel 18 and 27 both by 9. 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. We can cancel 22 and 33 by 11, isn't it? 11 threes are 33, 11 twos are 22 and the minus sign. Nothing more to cancel, so let's multiply the numerators and the denominators. So numerator 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Denominator 3 threes are 9. So what do we have there? Minus 4 by 9, which we can write here. Minus 4 by 9 minus, now let's write what's within the second set of brackets, that is 13 by 25 into minus 75 by 26. So what can be cancelled here? 13 and 26. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26. I can cancel 25 and minus 75. 25 ones and 25 threes, both by 25 itself. Now multiply the numerators and the denominators. When you multiply the numerators, what do you get? 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. Denominators 1 into 2 is 2. So here let me write that. So here minus 4 by 9 minus, and here within brackets we have minus 3 by 2 and close brackets because it's a subtraction sign. Now I'm going to write minus 4 by 9 as it is. Now before I open my brackets, I'm going to see what's before that. It's minus sign. So if the sign is minus, this will change. So minus 3 by 2 will now become plus 3 by 2. So here we must find the LCM of the denominators 9 and 2. So let's find the LCM using 2. So that's 9, 1. Now continue. This time I can use 3. 3 3s are 9 and 1. Continue. 3 1s are 3. Now what is the LCM? LCM is 2 into 3 into 3. So that is 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So the LCM is 18. So let's use that as the common denominator here, 18. Okay, the first denominator is 9. So 9 2s are 18. So minus 4 into 2. Minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. Plus, go to the next one, denominator is 2. 2 9s are 18. So 3 into 9. 3 9s are 27. So here we have minus 8 plus 27. When signs are different, put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 27 minus 8 we have to subtract. So let's do that. 27 minus 8. So let's borrow. 17 minus 8 is 9 and 1. So here we have plus 19 by 18. Now if we have to convert this to a mixed number, what do we get? So let's divide 19 by 18 to get a mixed number. 18 ones are 18 minus 1. So what is our mixed number? Quotient 1, remainder 1 on top and 18. 1, 1 by 18. So what's the final answer? 1, 1 by 18. Question 4. Let's work out the first set of brackets here. So here we have minus 13 by 7 into minus 35 by 39. So let's do that. Minus 13 by 7 into minus 35 by 39. Now what is it that we can cancel here? We can cancel 7 and 35. 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35 minus. We can also cancel 13 and 39. Both by 13 itself. 13 ones are 13, so that's minus 1, and 13 3s are 39. Now what else do we have? That's it. Let's multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So numerator minus 1 into minus 5. Minus into minus is plus. 1 into 5 is 5. So that's simply 5. And denominator 1 into 3 is 3. So what do we have here? 5 by 3. So we have removed the first set of brackets. We have 5 by 3 minus, now let's take up the second set, minus 7 by 45 into 9 by 14. So here, let's see what we can cancel. We can cancel 7 and 14 by 7 itself. 7 ones are 7. So minus 1, 7 twos are 14. We can cancel 9 and 45. 9 ones are 9, 9 fives are 45. So let's multiply the numerators and the denominators. So in the numerator, we have minus 1 into 1 will be minus 1. Denominator 5 into 2 is 10. So what do we have? Minus 1 by 10. So let's put that in brackets here. Minus 1 by 10. So now let's remove the brackets. So we have 5 by 3. So before you remove the brackets, you need to see the sign before the bracket. It's minus. So this will change to plus. So what do we have there? Plus 1 by 10. So now let's find the LCM of the denominators 3 and 10, both by 3 now. Let's divide by 3 and see. 3 ones are 3. 10 I bring down as it is. Now I'm going to take 2, 1 and 2 5s are 10. Now we can continue with 5. 1 and 1. So our LCM will be 3 into 2 into 5. 3 2s are 6. 6 5s are 30. So what is our LCM? LCM is 30. So here let's use that. So LCM is 30. Let's take the first denominator 3. 3 10s are 30. So multiply 5 also by 10. 5 10s are 50. 50 plus, take this next one, 10. 10 into 3 is 30. So 1 into 3. 1 3s are 3. So here what do we have? 53 by 13. Let's convert this to a mixed number. Let's divide 53 by 30. 30 ones are 30, 32s are 60, so we can't use that. So subtract 5 minus 3 is 2. Now the mixed number will be 123 by 30. So this is our final answer, 123 by 30. Question 9. The product of two rational numbers is 24. If one of them is minus 36 by 11, find the other. That is, when you multiply two numbers, the answer should be 24. We have been given 1 and we have to find the other number. So let's begin. The product of two rational numbers is 24. This is given to us in the question itself. One of them is minus 36 by 11. This is also given to us in the question. Now let the other one be x, that is the unknown number. That means if we multiply minus 36 by 11 into x, we should get 24. So now to find the unknown number, we can write it this way. X is equal to 24 by 1 divided by minus 36 by 11, because when I'm moving or transposing minus 36 by 11 from the left hand side to the right hand side, it becomes division because here it is multiplication. So it is divided by minus 36 by 11. So this will be x is equal to 24 by 1. Division changes to multiplication and we write the reciprocal of minus 36 by 11. So we can write this as minus 11 by 36. So let's see what we can cancel here. I can cancel 24 and 36 by 12. 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. Nothing more to cancel. So let's multiply the numerators and the denominators. So what do we get? 2 11s are 22. There's a minus sign there. So that makes it minus 22. 1 3s are 3. So we have found the value of x. X is equal to minus 22 by 3. Question 10. By what rational number should we multiply 20 by minus 9 so that the product is minus 5 by 9? Now let's replace these rational numbers with simple numbers to make our question easier for us to understand. Now, by what rational number should I multiply 20 by minus 9? Instead, let me write 7. By what should I multiply 7 so that I get 21? Okay. Now, 7 into what will give me 21? 7 3s are 21. Now, how did I get that 3? If I divide 21 by 7, I will get 3, isn't it? Suppose I take 21, I divide it by 7, my answer is 3. Now, here let me replace this example with the actual numbers. So, instead of 7, I'm going to write 20 by minus 9. By what rational number should we multiply 20 by minus 9 to get minus 5 by 9? So just like in the example, we have to divide this minus 5 by 9 and 20 by minus 9. And then we will get the value of x. So that means I need to put minus 5 by 9 first. So let's write the question. So that will be minus 5 by 9 divided by 20 by minus 9. So now let's work out this division. So this becomes minus 5 by 9. Division changes to multiplication. Reciprocal will become minus 9 by 20. So what can we cancel here? We can cancel 9 and minus 9. So 9 ones are 9. Here also 9 ones are 9 with the minus sign. I can also cancel 5 and 20 by 5. 5 ones are 5 with the minus sign. 5 fours are 20. Now I can multiply my numerators. That is minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus is plus. 1 into 1 is 1. I can also multiply my denominators 1 into 4. 1 fours are 4. So plus 1 by 4, or my final answer is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 is the rational number which we should use to multiply 20 by minus 9 so that the product is minus 5 by 9. So children, with this, we will stop for today. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.